Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to lock profile in Facebook in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app and click on menu option. Tap on your profile and click on three dot option. Then tap on unlock profile, click on unlock, and your profile already locked and unlock, and just tap on three dot option, click on lock profile and tap on lock profile. Just click and to lock profile in Facebook in iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please